Junior by Dekho. Like, share and subscribe us.
Hi kids, let's learn bird's name. Barn owl, barn owl. Black grouse, black grouse. Blackbird, blackbird. Black cap, black cap. Blue tit, blue tit. Brambling, brambling. Bullfinch, bullfinch. Buzzard, buzzard. Capercaillie, capercaillie. Chaffant, chaffant. Chiffchaff, chiffchaff. Coal tit, coal tit. Common crossbill, common crossbill. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Dunnock, dunnock. Fieldfare, fieldfare. Goldcrest, goldcrest. Goldfinch, goldfinch. Goshawk, goshawk. Green woodpecker, green woodpecker. Great tit, great tit. Great spotted woodpecker, great spotted woodpecker. Hooded crow, hooded crow. House martin, house martin. Jay, jay. Kestrel, kestrel. Common kingfisher, common kingfisher. Lesser spotted woodpecker, lesser spotted woodpecker. Little owl, little owl. Long-eared owl, long-eared owl. Long-tailed tit, long-tailed tit. Missel thrush, missel thrush. Nightingale, nightingale. Nightjar, nightjar. Nuthatch, nuthatch. Osprey, osprey. Red kite, red kite. Redwing, redwing. Robin, robin. Rook, rook, rook. Sand martin, sand martin. Siskin, siskin. Song thrush, song thrush. Sparrowhawk, sparrowhawk. Spotted flycatcher, spotted flycatcher. Starling, starling. Tawny owl, tawny owl. Tree sparrow, tree sparrow. Tree creeper, tree creeper. Turtle dove, turtle dove. Wheatear, wheatear. Whitethroat, whitethroat. Willow warbler, willow warbler. Wood warbler, wood warbler. Woodcock, woodcock. Wren, wren.
Junior by Dekho. Like, share and subscribe us. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification.